In this video we shall see how to use for loop in MATLAB. Okay, in C++ programming you might have seen the for loop. So similar for loop is present in MATLAB. So for I is equal to 0 to 10. The syntax is a bit different from C++. So in for loop in MATLAB we use I variable from 0 to 10. Okay, for using 0 to 10 we use this colon symbol. Okay, we use colon to define the range of numbers. Okay, for I is equal to 0 to 10, and we shall end the loop by writing end command. Okay, we shall display or print the numbers on command window. So I will be printed on command window. First of all, the value of I will be 0. Okay, let's start it from 1. First of all, the value of I will be 1, then its value will be 2, then its value will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so numbers from 1 to 10 will be printed on command window. So let us run this program. Okay, you see the numbers from 1 to 10 are printed on screen on command window. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So what if we want to display only even numbers and not odd numbers? So we use if mod of I comma 2 is equal to 0. We shall write display I. And we shall use end command to end this if statement. So if mod of I comma 2 is equal to 0, then the number will be printed on command window. So what is the meaning of this mod I comma 2? Mod returns the remainder of division. Okay, first of all the value of I will be 1, so 1 divided by 2, if we divide 1 by 2 the remainder is not equal to 0, so the 1 will not be printed on screen. If next time the value of I will become 2, so 2 mod 2 divided by 2, the remainder is 0, so is equal to 0. This condition is fulfilled, so 2 will be displayed on the screen. Next the value of I will become 3, so 3 mod 2, the 3 divided by 2, the remainder of 3 divided by 2 is 1 and not 0, so 3 will not be printed on the command window. And mod statement does nothing but returns the remainder of division of number I by 2, so only the even numbers will be printed on screen. So let's run this command again, run this program again. So you see 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, you can see on the command window. Okay, 2 4 then 6 8 and 10, so on. Okay, in this way only the even numbers are printed on the command window. That's all for looking at the for loops. We will talk more about the for loops in the next video. See you. Thank you all for today. See you in the next video.